Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a particular classroom that you have created on your Google Classroom. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead and get access to your Google Classroom app, or you can go to your website and officially go to googleclassroom.com. So as you can see, once you are in this Google Classroom section, you will be able to find this kind of interface that will be given over there. And if you so in this case over here, you can see we do have created one classroom called tutorial over there. So if I would like to remove that classroom or simply saying delete that classroom, what I would do is I will simply gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot icon that will be given on top right corner of your class. Go ahead, tap on it, and now it will give you this option called copy invitation link, edit, copy, and archive. So for us to delete the classroom, we have to archive this first. Go ahead, go to archive, and now tap on this archive confirmation. Again, tap on this blue archive option, and now we have simply archived our particular class, right? So once you do that, in this case, on your top left corner in this menu section, you can find this option called archived classes. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see we have our class over there, right? So for this class to be deleted, go ahead and tap on this three dot again on top right corner, and now we will finally see this option called delete over there. Tap on it, and yeah, you can see the class. Again, tap on confirmation, and you can see the particular class is now deleted from over there. So this is it, guys. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.